Hey, I'm Jerry Hoffmann, owner of Smart Ass Products, and today I want to introduce you to the Smart Ass Fuel Mule, your compact, convenient solution for aircraft refueling right where you need it. It's got a variable speed thumb throttle that makes controlling the speed easy, and a simple push button toggle to reverse direction. Hydraulic disc brakes that allow you to control the brakes just like you're controlling a bike or an ATV. The controls, honestly, they just kind of feel right at home, right in your hands, laid out right where you'd expect them to be, making the control perfectly intuitive, like it should be. It's built with a 50-gallon aluminum DOT-compliant tank, rechargeable electric drivetrain, and hydraulic disc brakes, including a parking brake. It's got an electric 15-gallon-a-minute pump. With all of that, the Smart Ass Fuel Mule is the problem solver that you've been looking for. It's durable and it's made to move. Whether you're on the ramp, in the hangar, or on the go, using the electric pump is a breeze, and the rechargeable onboard battery pack allows you to ensure you're always ready to go. Safely and accurately fuel your airplane, considering the desired aircraft total weight using the built-in flow meter, and the water stop filter, keeping your fuel clean and pure. Plus, its internal baffling system helps control fuel slosh during transport, giving you safe and smooth fuel transport wherever you need it. The Smart Ass Fuel Mule is perfect for private aircraft owners, maintenance crews, operators, anybody who wants fast, easy, and reliable refueling without having to haul out all the big equipment. It's smart, it's tough, and it saves you time when every minute counts. So, how do you get it out of the truck? That's the beautiful part. Yes, it's heavy when it's fully loaded, but the onboard motor and brakes were designed to make this happen with ease. Empty or full, the motor does all the work on the way up. With no physical effort on your part, you're just controlling the controls, and I already told you how easy those are. And the brakes hold the load perfect on the way down, controlling speed of descent. You can even stop mid-ramp and turn around and go back up. Not physically turn around, that'd be tough, but you just hit the button and you go right back up. Don't be a dumb donkey. Be a smart ass with the Smart Ass Fuel Mule.